Hey friends, if you encounter this error, printer driver was not installed, element not found error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now printers have their drivers which are not usually installed through Windows Update, but you need to install them from the manufacturer's website, otherwise it will not work. So for example, I have a Canon 3012 driver, a printer. So I will search for its drivers. I'll go to its website. If you have it for an HP printer or an Epson printer, go to the respective websites, go to download, and once it's downloaded, click on open. Just wait till it extracts the files and installs it on your system. That's it. You don't need to add the printer from here. To add the printer, you can right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, printers and scanners, and add device and add it from here. But to install the printer drivers, you need to install them from the manufacturer's website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.